sir.
Every incident, of course, the Philippine National Police will act and it will always be an emergency. Pero pagka sinabi mong in the context dun sa school, what is emergency? Okay. If we will look at the incidents in the past, of course, merong rambulan dyan sa mga school, outside the school, and even inside the school. It so happened that we have a shooting incident in Tacloban. And this paved the way na sinasabing maraming insidente. We disagree with the data that napakaraming insidente of shooting within school premises perpetrated by students. Of course, kukunti lang yan at ang nangyari lang naman is dun sa Tacloban. And meron nga nakalagay dun nakalagay sa isang news item about a student was gunned down dun sa Davao. Hindi naman estudyante yun. Graduate na yun. No? It so happened that he just attended a graduation dun sa area dun sa Mindanao, and then hindi naman si estudyante. And in fact, college graduate ang nag-graduation doon.